Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. But today's video will be very different from the other days because I usually do review video and makeup videos. So today it will be a very different kind of video. This is the first time that I have received a PR package from the brand called La Organo. Well, they have just mailed me and just wanted to collaborate with me, which is really an utmost joy for me. Like, I have never thought that I could get a PR package this soon. So yes, I am just so happy, and for you guys it's been possible, and for my hard work, so I am happy and I just wanted to share this happiness with you guys. So being an YouTuber, it is every YouTuber's dream that they get a PR package. So basically I have received some of the products from La Organo. Well, I haven't yet opened this parcel because I just wanted to share with you guys what I have received from this particular brand. So yes, let's open this parcel. So let me just introduce you guys with this brand called La Organo. Well, La Organo makes some amazing organic and natural products, and their products are absolutely free from parabens, sulfate and mineral oils. They are also cruelty free products, and they have some immense and huge range of skincare, body care and hair care products. You can definitely visit their website. I'll link their website in the description box below. You can check it out from there. They have some amazing deals and discounts going on and off every time. With the skincare, hair care and the body care range, they also include Pocketizer. Pocketizer is their sanitizer. So the first product that I have in my hand is their lip balm. This is the La Organo Green Apple Lip Balm, and this is the La Organo Rose Lip Balm. I am super excited to wear this lip balm because all of my lip balm has just finished. So thank you La Organo for sending it right here. And they have mentioned their manufacturing date, their price, their batch number as well as their shelf life on the packaging of the lip balm. Plus the quantity of the lip balm is 10 gram, which is absolutely good quantity, and this is priced at rupees 299. So I am absolutely looking forward to apply this lip balm as soon as possible. So the next product that I have in my hand is the La Organo L-Glutathione Skin Whitening Serum. I am really looking forward to this serum because I haven't used any kind of serum which contains glutathione. So I am really excited and very much eager to use this serum particularly. Plus they have also mentioned every details on their packaging. They are absolutely paraben free, sulfate free, 100% vegan, non-toxic and cruelty free. This particular serum is priced at rupees 1049. You will definitely get lot of deals and discount on and off. Just visit their website and check out their products. The next product that I have in my hand is La Organo L-Glutathione Skin Whitening Face and Body Scrub. This is priced at rupees 499 and this is a 50 gram of product. Well, I think this product is really mindful and really thoughtful because usually we try to save our money, so why to buy a separate scrub for face and body? So they have done a 2-in-1 package. Like, you can use this particular scrub both on your face as well as on your body. So I think this product is really mindful and thoughtful. So the next product that they have sent me is this product, which is the La Organo Activated Charcoal Peel Off Mask with vitamin C and tea tree oil. So this will give you instant glow, deep cleansing, remove blackheads, detoxify and revitalize skin. So this also contains no sulfate, no paraben, and this particular product is specially designed both for male and female. Well, all of the product honest review will be coming very soon, so please stay tuned with my channel and stay tuned with my videos. And this particular product is priced at rupees 499, and they have also mentioned every details on their packaging, and this contains 100 gram of product. The last and the final product that they have sent me is La Organo L-Glutathione Skin Whitening Gel, and this is enriched with aloe vera, vitamin C, alpha arbutin and curcumin. So this is also 100 gram of product, and this one is priced at rupees 599, and they have also mentioned each and every details on their packaging, which is a great thing. Plus I'm very eager to use this gel because nowadays what I am just seeing that I am having so much of irritation on my face, and small uneven texture is just going on my skin. So I just need to avoid that, and I need one gel like formation to just calm down and stop that irritation that is happening on my skin right now. So thank you so much La Organo for sending me all of these products, and I just want to give you a special thanks for this product particularly, because I really want to avoid moisturizer in this summer season. So yes, this is the end of this video, and I have already showed you what I have received from La Organo, and they have sent me all total 6 products. So I am very happy and very excited to use all of this product and give you honest review about this particular products. So that's it for today's video. Hope you really enjoyed my first time PR unboxing video, and if you really enjoyed, what you have to do, you have to like, comment and share. Do subscribe my channel, those of you who are new to my channel. Follow all of my social media like my Facebook page and my Instagram. The handle will be here, and I'll also link it down in the description box below. Do follow me there. Plus I'll give all the product details in the description box below, as well as their website link. So do visit their website. Last but not the least, do not forget to hit that bell icon to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.